Welcome to Webtech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to change password on Discord. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to Webtech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic, we'll show you how to change password on Discord. First of all, tap open the Discord application and log into your account. After logging in, now go to the bottom right corner to your profile button, and then you have to come to my account in the user settings. There you can see edit account and change password. Tap on change password. So when you tap on change password, now you have to fill in the current password in this box, and in the next box you have to enter the new password that you want to change into. So enter the current password here and the new password in the next box. After you are done, tap on the button that you see at the bottom right. Then the settings is successfully done and your password is changed. In this way you can change password on Discord. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to change password on Discord. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.